Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to go and show you how to fix your Xbox One controller that keeps disconnecting. So let's go ahead, jump the video right now. So you're playing games on your Xbox controller and it keeps disconnecting. This can get very frustrating. How can we go ahead and fix this? Well, one thing I want to point out was when you do have your batteries plugged in on the back here, if you're playing a game that has a lot of vibrations in it, maybe a first-person shooters, sometimes your batteries aren't secure in the back here and they are slightly coming undone and it's causing power issues on your controller. So you can go ahead and turn off the vibration on your controller so your controller doesn't keep disconnecting. So this may be one issue that you are having. So what we can do is go to the guide button here, then go over to our profile, and then go into settings, then go over to devices and connections, go over to accessories, then go to configure. Then I have a profile already created, but you can go to new profile. So I'm going to go to profile 1, then go to this edit option right here, select this, and then go to turn on vibration. Go ahead and uncheck mark this and your controller won't vibrate anymore. Also, now that we're under this screen, we should really update our controller. So instead of going to configure now, go to the three dots and select this. Then it should say no update available or update available. Just go ahead and apply a new update regardless. And then go to continue. And it's updating my controller right now. And this should only take like a minute for me. So it doesn't take very long at all. And it already says 100%. And the other thing I want to talk to you about was Bluetooth interferences. So I have a Bluetooth headset right here. And then I have my phone right here that has a Bluetooth signal on it. And then I have my computer down below that also has Bluetooth. Well, my controller also connects via Bluetooth to my Xbox, so all these devices nearby could be causing an interference. What you could do is shut off your phone, shut off your computer, and just see if that is causing the issue, or even like your microwave could be causing the issue. If your microwave's going and it's kind of close by, your controller could be disconnecting because of that reason. What we should do is power cycle our Xbox now. So locate the front and hold down the Xbox button on here and hold it down for about 10 to 15 seconds and just leave it unplugged from the wall outlet for maybe 1 minute or longer. So locate the power cord and just unplug it. Just completely power cycle the Xbox and then turn it back on and see if this fixes your problem with your Xbox One controller that keeps disconnecting. And you could always try resyncing your controller to your Xbox. So right under here there is a sync button. Go ahead and take out the batteries from your controller. Press this button right here and then press this button on the controller too at the same time. And the light here will blink and the light here will blink. And your controller should resync. Otherwise, the last resort is taking a USB cable and just plugging it directly to the controller itself and start playing via a wire. So those are some methods for you to fix your controller that keeps disconnecting. If this video did indeed help you out, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.